PowerDirector 18 Ultimate. We're going to show in video overlay picture-in-picture, or with the F5 key, opening up and showing you the objects over here, how to create when it says anything you want in the title. So as the shape designer is in default, you have in file, save, save as, exit. The next tab, edit, undo, redo, view, timeline zoom, viewer zoom, full screen, and playback. Time code mode, clip mode, movie mode, play, pause, stop, previous frame, next frame, go to previous second, to next second, go to timeline, and fast forward. So here they start you off in a square that you can simply move anywhere you want. It would have been nice to see on the existing what you're looking at. So you can place this actually on the photo. And let's see if we can do that. So we click on the photo I'm here reviewing a product. I open up the objects and no, this does not work. So it's kind of a guessing game what to do, where to put your actual things. So over here we have selection mode. If we click it, it's not bringing up anything because this is probably what you're bringing up. A hand mode, drag mode, so you could drag, place it where you want. Magnifier, zoom out, zoom in, and fit. So you have all different shapes to put on there. These are the shapes you have. So if I was to click here, highlight the inside and double click, I'm able to write anything I want. So these are the presets that you can open up. You can see there text inside, all the shapes and designs they have. So we can add a little shadow. We could do this manually if we want, make our own. This is the shape fill, very self-explanatory. It blurs it, the opacity changes it, it narrows it down. And the uniform color you could change to what you want. And you have one or two and not four uniform colors. You have a shape outline that you can work on. The same thing, begins and ends. You can add heavy lines, dash lines, and a whole bunch of dot lines. This is the title. You can add your title. If it's grayed out, you won't be able to add a title inside, and change all the different types of way that font looks, and the size, and the coloring. Make it bold and shrink it to overfill, center it, and so forth. Nowhere in here can we make our own boxes and objects and shapes. So down here we could view full screen, toggle to TV safe mode, and then save it as. When we save it as, we then add a name, click OK. It creates it for you. Then you take it, drag it to the timeline, and you can see right over here how much shadow it gave. Let's take it away, or just move our line off the screen. You can kind of see I have overexposure here, and then bring it on to the area over. You can see how it takes it on in the shot. Then I could drag it anywhere I want by just grabbing it. And I could make it smaller, change the size, and so forth. So if I really wanted to put it right here, this is where I should have been able to see it when I had the area where I was making it so I could see where I could put it. They could have put a thumbnail picture on it before. So there you have it. Very simple to use, and I hope you enjoyed this short, quick how-to video.